Hi, it's Lan with GreenLanGrow, and today I am going to teach you how to plant these super sugar snap peas. So the difference between these super sugar snap peas is that they're way crunchier and sweeter, and I just love them way more. So first what we're going to do is we're going to fill our little seed containers with soil. Here is a homemade soil mix that we made, and you can learn how to make it with this link up above. So what we will do is we're going to take a nice scoop of soil and we're just going to sprinkle it over. You don't have to be too fancy with it. Just make sure that every pod gets enough soil. Now that we filled every pod with a decent amount of soil, what we can do is we can make it look nicer. I have a little tool over here, which you can find in the link down in the description. What we'll do is we're going to smoothen out the soil. And we are going to do this with every seed starter. Alright, so I just finished filling my cell trays with my homemade seedling mix. And what I'm going to do when I plant these peas into my seedling mix is I'm going to make sure that the little white dot on it kind of looks like a tail. We're going to put that face down. Because before, when I didn't know about this, I put it face up and it grew upside down. So I'm going to poke a little hole right here and I'm going to put it tail side down. Once it's in, you cover it up with a little bit of soil. I will repeat to do these for all of the cells. So now that we have finished planting our super sugar snap peas, we are going to mist them with some light water. Just give them a light mist. I usually do about 2 mists per cell. There we go, we're done misting. So I'm going to show you how to bottom water your plants. This is some natural rainwater that I caught from the most recent storm. And what I'm going to do is I am going to bottom water my plants with it. So what you do is you go over to your plant. These are specially designed cell trays so you can bottom water. What you do is you take one cell tray off and you put the water underneath. The soil at the bottom will soak up the water and it'll water the plants from underneath. Great, now that we've got our seeds planted, we should expect them to sprout in about a few days. And when that day comes, I'll keep you posted. Please like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye!